Hello everybody and welcome to my proving grounds. Okay, for today's project we're in PowerShell. Now, you may notice that that path up there is leading towards a temp directory. This particular directory is found here. If you actually hit run, you'd have to get it to access it. You have to put those percentage symbols in there and then close it with the percentage symbol. And then you get this directory. You'll notice it has 172 items. Let's close this out. That's the last time we're actually going to pull up the whole directory like that for us to view it in the GUI. From here, my goal is simple. I want to be able to access that directory and a couple of other directories, and I also want to be able to delete as much of the contents in that directory. Understand, not everything's going to be deleted because some of these things are going to have other applications that are using them as resources. No big deal. The idea is to do cleanup, not exactly to destroy something. So if I did a get child path, get child item, and then I put in the path. So if I put it in here and I hit recursive, I am going to get this. Remember, it was 172 items, so it's a lot of stuff. This is also giving me the names of stuff that's inside some of those subdirectories. It's a lot of stuff here. Now, if I go and do a remove item at that path and I specify that I want it. Hold on. Let me bring this up here like that. That's not it. Very funny. And of course, this is where the giggle fest starts. Okay, we're back. Now, we have a remove item, we have the path. We're specifying that within that in that temp directory, everything. And we're going to go recursive into the subdirectories. If we hit this, we wait a moment, and let's see what happens. And here we go. Okay, after all this has happened, we're going to take a look at the get child item again. And let's see, this is all we got. This is before. All all the way through all this, right? Here is all that's left. If we actually opened it up again, only 20 items left. Personally, I think that's acceptable. Now I'm going to be doing this with a couple of other directories, but it's going to be pretty much rinsing and repeating and reducing what's actually cluttering up a hard drive. Hopefully this is actually useful to you also. You have a great day.